one's a little too big, huh? Yeah, not quite right. What about this one?
A little dirty.
Ooh.
That could work.
Perfect. What about that one? You think that one? No. Over there, I think. There's less people. Yeah, that's the one. I can see it right there. Seems like a good place to start. Just right down there.
But now, do you think we have to flip open?
I think this is your front right here. And you just jump right on that thing. Ride her down like a sled.
Can we wait till people leave?
No.
I'm gonna fail, aren't I? Nope.
Come on, dude. Come on, go. Get down that slope. Send it. Cardboard works.
Success.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun.
Screw the cardboard.
Well, was it worth it?
Yeah, that was awesome. I was in a sand washing machine for a while. Still a little woozy. Almost there. Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
Who needs cardboard anyway?
Screw cardboard.
Yeah.
That was some fun sand sliding. I've never gotten to roll down them. You know, you see this all the time in movies, right? Where the guys will get all tired and thirsty and then they'll just fall down the sand dune and just keep rolling. That's gnarly. It's a lot of fun. Unfortunately, our sandboard didn't work out so good. But we had a blast anyway. The thing about the Great Sand Dunes is that it does not care who you are. If you had any sleep last night, which Lisa and I totally didn't because we're living in a tent with the family. It doesn't care about any of that. It doesn't care if it was sunshiny 10 minutes ago. It just started hailing and raining right now. Yeah.
We gotta go now.
Yeah, it's pretty gnarly now. What an amazing place. It's like Tatooine, or Hoth? No. Hoth was the ice planet. It's like Tatooine. Just sand as far as the eyes can see. That was a blast. I have got sand literally everywhere. Cardboard don't work. All right, recycle that bad boy.
Thank you for your service.
You know what I love about this park? It doesn't mess around. You just get right into the park, drive right in, bam, sand dunes. I normally don't like sand, you know, it's coarse, it's rough, it's irritating, it gets everywhere. But this park was exactly what we needed. A little bit of adventure, a little bit of rolling down a hill. I'm still a little woozy in the head. It was great. Good job, great Sand Dunes National Park. How far does it say? Now we're doing a little hike, the Overlook hike. We just went down this sweet 4x4 only trail, a little bit off to get up here. The Great Sand Dunes today was perfect. It was exactly what we needed. We needed a little bit of foolishness.
I haven't laughed that hard in so long.
a little bit of childhood shenanigans, and just to not take life so seriously for a little while. After all the things gone wrong, all the things broken, it's nice to just throw yourself down the side of a sand mountain and see what happens.
It's mostly fun for me to watch it.
This is our first good day in a while. It feels nice. It started raining, and it was another half mile straight up hills. Nobody else wanted to make it to the top, so this one's just for you and me.
You want me to hold? I'm gonna get the sign. Do you want to stand? I was thinking you would stand on this side and point it this way so you get the sign. Well, because it's on. Don't push me. Don't push me.
Dun 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 dun.
Waiting on camera. Hold on.
Oh.
Hi, kitty. What do you got to tell us?
So many things to say.